Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix mic not working in Valorant. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your system settings, and we want to make sure that our microphone and all of the cables drivers are working. So to do this, you will be able to find that inside the input category, select your microphone. In my case, I'm using the microphone USB condenser right here. And right after that, if you go ahead and speak, you will see the audio gain on the test your microphone section. So if you see this, it means that your microphone is receiving audio. So that means that you are good to go. From there, let's now head over to the Valorant right here. And then we are going to tweak some settings in order to make sure that we have enabled our microphone. So just click on settings, click on audio, click on voice chat, and from here you then want to select your input device into something that we have tested on the sound settings right here. So in our case, it's going to be the microphone USB condenser microphone. From there, we can just click on the loopback test, listen to the microphone itself, and confirm that the microphone is working. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.